Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, let me show you where to redeem your gift card. Go to your profile on the top right section and click on this payment and subscriptions. Now simply go for redeem code and here you can simply enter your code and you are good to go. But if you want to redeem your code with some other country like United Kingdom, you have to search for VPN first of all, and here select your desired VPN, install it first of all. So after installing it, open it and let it load. Please press OK VPN proxy, and here let's select your location, like where you are living right now, or if you are traveling like United Kingdom, let's select it. Start it. Now click on start button in the middle, and as you can see it's connecting. Now let's go back to your Play Store. Again click on your profile on the top right corner and go for payment as subscription, redeem code, and now simply put your gift card code and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out, and this is the way how to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Thanks for watching this video.